Greetings everyone, Chef Adam here, and it's smoothie time in the kitchen. We're gonna do a pineapple pomegranate smoothie. We got a bunch of ingredients before us, a little bit of blueberries over here, pomegranate juice, cinnamon, frozen pineapple, little spinach, some water, and some almond butter. Now, this recipe does call for almond milk, but what I like to do is make my own almond milk using almond butter and filtered water. So this is kind of like two little recipes in one. We're going to show you how to make easy almond milk, and then we're just going to roll right into that smoothie. So to make easy almond milk, put water in the blender. That was like a half cup. Take about a quarter cup of almond butter. You just put that in the blender with your water. You don't want to leave any behind. If you go to the grocery store, you know how much raw almond butter is. By doing the raw almond butter, you're going to get to take advantage of a lot of the nutrients that are in the fresh state inside the almonds. So we put this on here. Okay, we got our almond milk. Now, you can just buy the almond milk at the store if you want. It does have a lot of like additives and whatnot, but you know, what you see is what you get right here. It's basically almonds and water, and that's it. Frozen pineapple. Pineapple, a great anti-inflammatory food. Good for reducing inflammation in the body and loaded with antioxidants, and has a lot of vitamin C. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is really great for diabetics. It's great for those that are watching their sugar and they want to add a little spice and sweetness to recipes. It's also good for circulation and blood flow. So it's a warming spice. Pomegranate juice, put that in there. Frozen blueberries, you can go fresh or frozen with these, loaded in antioxidants. And some spinach to get our greens. Okay, put the lid on. Lock and load, rock and roll. I believe that's it. Let's see what we got. Oh, smells good. We put some greens in there, which would kind of make it a green smoothie, but it's actually more of a purple smoothie, which purple's great because, you know, we don't get enough purple in our diet these days. So there we have it, the pineapple pomegranate smoothie. Leave your comments and questions below. Love you. See ya. Keep it live.